How to hide likes on Instagram. So to hide your likes in Instagram, all you have to do now, go ahead and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side, this one. After you open your profile like this, now if you want to hide a specific post, like let's say now I want to hide all the likes I got under this post, as you can see now this post. So all you have to do now, tap on the post, as you can see like this one. As you can see now, this post got 2 likes. So if I want to hide how many likes this post got on Instagram, after you open the post, now tap on this 3 dot at the top right side. After you tap on this 3 dot, now tap on this where it says hide like count, this one. So by tapping on this hide like count, as you can see now it's not showing how many likes this Instagram post got. As you can see now it's not showing the number of likes the Instagram post got. So now to hide all your likes on Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open close the post, tap on this menu at the top right side if you want to hide all the likes. After you tap on this menu, tap on this settings and privacy. After you open the settings and privacy, scroll all the way to down and tap on this, as you can see where it says like and share count, this one. Like and share count, tap on it. So after you open this like and share count, as you can see now, here is the option. Make sure you turn on this option. So as you can see, it says like and share, hide like and share count. So now I turn on this option. Now I hide all my likes on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.